Hello everybody, this is a Philco 206. I'm going to do a little video on it. This is going to be restored. As you can see, I've already repainted the cabinet. Somebody painted an ugly color, so I brought it back to the original colors, butterscotch and chocolate. And give you an idea of how it looks. This is the underside. There's the old label. And the inside. Pretty good shape. Give me a cute little radio. Let's see. And here's the chassis. I've already replaced a couple of capacitors. It was humming really bad. These are the ones that were this one here. 3-in-1, the ground, and then you have the other 3 different readings. So this was the main culprit, so I replaced that and shielded everything and reinstalled. There's one here and 2 hot glued on the side there, and it was working fine. But then this Black Beauty, or Bumblebee type capacitor, blue, it still works with a pop to crack. Maybe you can see it. You might be able to pick it up on this camera. Cracked in half there, so I'm going to go pick up some new ones. And it's a good idea to replace all these capacitors. They get old and crotchety and leak internally. These are wax ones. This is like an oil filled. And let me see. I think Bumblebee. Yeah, here's the other one. There's another Black Beauty sitting in there. So I'm going to go ahead and replace all those. Just got to pick them up tomorrow. It was playing good. It still plays good, but I heard there's a lot of little ticking and clacking sound. So didn't know what it was, and then all of a sudden this loud bang, and let's split the case right in there in that little guy. So obviously, yes. When you change parts and it hasn't been used in a long time, then the old parts that are weak, they're going to go. But it's a pretty good radio. Yeah, it sounded really clear. No hum at all. It's completely silent. Working and silent. Not silent because it's dead, but gives you an idea of how it looks. You have to clean the chassis up a little bit more. Yeah, see how that. Be interesting to see. I've restored several radios. This is actually one of my newer ones from 1948. Most of them I restored are like 1933 Atwater Kents, which are built very well built. Build quality on this is alright. I mean, it's not in the same quality as those, but it's okay. I'll give you a view of the inside again. Now, let me see if there's any mica. Here they are. These guys here, those are pretty durable and reliable. I'll just leave those alone. Some of the other resistors may be replaced, so let's see. Alright, well that's it for part 1, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished.